The factory floor is eerily quiet. Half-finished products sitting on the workstations. This is worse than a jammed conveyor belt, Ben. We've got a full-blown case of vanishing velocity. The production line's moving slower than a snail in molasses.
You know, the clues are all over the place. Look over here, Alex. I mean, look at this. Missed deadlines. Orders on backlog. I don't know about you, but I see a classic case of productivity implosion.
Man, cluttered workspaces, disorganized schedule. It's got that general air of overwhelm. This team is drowning in inefficiency. I'm going to bag this one for evidence.
We're going to take that. We need that one. Oh, man. Quality control issues. A sign of rushed work and stressed out employees, if I ever saw one.
And people who don't even know what they're doing. I'm sure they haven't even been trained on how to do their jobs well.
Not in the least.
Eureka! I think I found the culprit.
What is it, Alex?
These supervisors. They haven't had any training in time management or delegation. They're trying to do everything themselves.
And the cold coffee can't help either.
No, I mean, combined, that's creating a bottleneck the size of the Grand Canyon.
You bet.
They're not empowering their teams. They're micromanaging them into oblivion.
Oh, man. You know, they need to learn how to streamline workflows, how to delegate effectively, and how to eliminate distractions. They got to become conductors of productivity, not bottlenecks.
Exactly. They need to learn how to prioritize, how to communicate, how to actually lead a team.
I got an idea. I just hope it's not too late.
What are you finding there?
Well, I think it's right here. Frontline leadership. It's the only way to revive this operation. They need the skills, and they need them now.
You know what? The clock is ticking, Ben. If we don't get these supervisors into that workshop, this whole place is going down the tubes.
We're not going to let that happen, Alex.
No, we're not. Oh. Don't let your team be the next victim of the bottleneck bandit. Get them the help that they need through the Frontline Leadership Program at Unique Training and Development.